To make an Android app, firstly you have to click on start a new Android Studio project. I am clicking on start Android Studio. I have to give the name of the application. For example, I'm going to name fun 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 dot. No, fun. I just want to keep the company domain. It's a package name that you have to set. For example, fun app. Okay, there is a location that you need to set. This location by default set is the Android Studio is a folder created. It's a fun. It automatically a folder is a directory is created having a name fun. This name is same as this name. This name. I don't want to Kotlin. I don't want to support the Kotlin. Kotlin is I will make a new video of how to learn the Kotlin. Kotlin is the next programming language that we will tell you in later. Why do I don't want the Kotlin support? I don't want the C++ support. It's a Kotlin in which you can write the apps with a less code. It's a new version of Java, I think. No, it's not a new version of Java. It's like a Java. No, it's like a JavaScript. Shorter code you can write. Hi. Okay, target Android devices. Here you have to set the target Android devices. I want to support my application ice cream sandwich. I don't want to support the application of ice cream sandwich. Ice cream sandwich is very much old. It's maybe now harmful for my body. So I want to support my application on jelly beans. I love jelly beans. I don't want to support an application of Wear OS. Not want to support on Android TV, Android Auto, and not for Android things. Android things mean Internet of Things. It means you can make an application that supports your sensors. IoT is based on sensor that you can perform different things. I am making video of making app. I don't want to discuss about Android things. You can search for a new video or you can search on Google. Now we have to search the next. Here are different types of activities that you can create. The basic, the bottom navigation, and in the bottom navigation there is a bottom tabs. Here it's like a navigation, but you can navigate to different screens by clicking on different parts here. Okay, in the empty activity there is also different activities: fragment view model, full screen, Google Ad Mobiles activity, Google Maps activity, scrolling activity, navigation road activity, master detail flow. In the master detail flow, this application is made for tabs and portrait phones also. Once you put your phone in the landscape mode, your screen got shifted in the landscape mode with a list arranged to the left side and the portion in the right side. In the login activity, in which the username and password fields are already the components are already added in here. The settings activity, you already know what settings activity. No, you don't know. Settings activities is like same as the activity, but is a it doesn't have the view. It has the XML file that you can add options, and it's advanced topic. Tabbed activity, it means you can going to next by going to the tabbed activity. But we are discussing about the empty activity. Just click on empty activity and next. Oh, activity name. You have to set the activity name. Okay, let's get set. I want to set it's a default name in activity. I want to generate the layout file. It by default the option is ticked. Okay, the name of this activity is layout. Every activity comes with a view, and it's a view. It's a view. It's a Java file. It's an XML file. Backward compatibility app compat is a library that is added to your project to support different like buttons, your image views, your various components that you use in your code. It's already supported by the app compat, and your application is compatible. Okay, let's finish. Oh, it's downloading the Gradle is downloading some zip files from its repo. HTTPS services.gradle.org, distribution gradle 4.6 all zip. I don't want to hack this domain. Okay. Shift control 5. I want to pause this video for some time. There is no option of pause here, but I want. But there's no option of pause. So if no option of pause, I don't want to do with anything. Okay, Gradle is taking some time. It's indexing post due to batch update. Gradle downloading, it's already downloading some components that is required for my application. It's hitting different repos to download different libraries, on classes, on methods, anything, or jar files. You will see pom files, jar files. Your application needs so many things to set up. So the Gradle collects everything from different servers for you to work to, so that you can make apps. Okay, let's discuss about the Gradle scripts. Gradle scripts. It's a build.gradle. It's a Gradle properties, Gradle wrapper, Gradle local properties. Let's look into the Gradle build.gradle. It's a Gradle file. If you want to open its location, just hit the command and click here. Once you it's not working. But I already used. Yeah, working now. Command and click. Once you press on the command and click, once you enter on this build.gradle mentioned here, you can go to that particular location. Let's go here. It's open here. You can go to this location by putting the command, click at this tab. Okay, now here's your app folder. In this there is no, I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there. But I want to go there. I want to go to previous page. How can I go? How can I go? I'm new to MacBook. I don't want to know. Let's go to hell. Okay, this is a class path. Build Gradle. A class path. It's a class path that is required to be mentioned at here. For example, you want to use console and Firebase things, you have to mention here the class path for that. If you want to use a Firebase in here, it's already downloading so many things from here. It's taking so much time, but I don't have time. App, this is your project. Once the Gradle finished doing everything for you, your this directory got changed, means the directory structure got changed. There are so many options here, like project, packages, Android project files. I mostly used project and project files, and Android, once everything got set up, it's have a different architecture, it's a directory structure. Okay, once you press on project, once you press on here, double click on here, it's an app folder, there's a source folder, there's a main folder, there's a Java folder. How much deep I'm going? I don't want to go so much deep, man. Oh wow, fun. You already know I have made funapp.fun.fun. It's packages, it's a directories, package is a directory. Well, I am using so two words for the same thing, directory and package. I don't want to use directory and package again and again. Chalo koi nahi. Okay, so next is the main activity. How this is the project file, is the main activity is here. In the main activity, extends app compact activity. Is app compact activity. Why I'm writing app compact activity? The buttons, the image views are coming from this package. Okay, this is the own create. It's the own create method. Every activity have a life cycle. Once activity is launched on your Android phone, on create creates the view by using this method. I can go to the definition of this method by pressing control and click. I don't want to do an agreement with you. Accept. Okay, it's you don't need to You don't need to read everything of this. I just want to tell that Android is open source. Just close it down. Now you can go to the XML file of this Java file by pressing control click. Yeah, this is the view that your application firstly when launched uh, by this view. Okay, there is a two tabs here. Design means you can put the things in here and putting everything from here. It's a easy way, but you must use the constraint layout. I don't want this use the constraint layout once but what I want to tell is, for example, I need a button. I am putting the button in here. I'm putting the button in here. You can put as much buttons here. Once I click on the text view of it, you can see the text view is already added. Hello world here. Is a button. Is a button. Three buttons I have pulled. Yeah, there's three buttons I pulled. Three buttons code is here. Constraint layout, I don't want to use the constraint layout, but it is easy to manage. Firstly, you have to set the constraints. I don't want to set the constraints. Just go for linear layout. Linear layout is a simple layout. If you are newbie, linear layout is the best layout for you. Linear layout, you have to set the width. I want to set the match parent means uh, I I I match to my parent. I will come with my parent. What my parent do is I do this. I do that. Sorry, my English is very poor. Oh, width is match parent. Height. Where is height? I want height. 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 Ha. These are required fields. That's why the Google has added brackets here with the required field here. I want to set the full match parent to here. I want to close this linear layout at the last. I want to put everything inside this linear layout. I don't want you just go to hell. Wow, linear layout is awesome. But why these errors are coming in here? Because they want something from you. They want if this type of error is coming to you, just hit command enter. Command return on a Mac. Command enter. No, it's not working. Sorry. Option enter. Yeah, option enter. Command is the neighbor of command's neighbor is option on a keyboard on a Mac. On the Windows you have to press the control enter, and on the Mac you have to press the option enter. It's already added here by default. It's also again option enter, option return on a Mac, or control enter on a Windows. So they are arranged in a horizontal layout, but I want them to be in a vertical layout. Just add one attribute here: orientation vertical. They are aligned in a vertical view. I want everything to be in a center. Gravity center. I want their gravity to be in a center. I want to float them in a center. They are not aligned in center because I have to use a single gravity. It's a layout gravity. I want to use a single gravity. Gravity center. They are aligned in the center. So if I don't want these fields come with the constraint layout. Just remove these fields. Just go to your home. I don't want you. Just go. You also just go with your friend. Two friends already in a line. Oh, okay. Oh, you can change the text in here. For example, one. Oh, born. What is born? One, two, 1 2 4. Oh, sorry. 5. Ah! 5. Okay. 1 2 5. I'm good in dot, but I'm not good in maths. Okay. Just remove those things. What I did? Okay. The things that are in a light mode, they are not used. Just remove them. Okay, so this is the view. I want this text view to be bold. Just hit enter and search for style, text style. text style. There are three attributes: bold, italic, normal. Just enter bold. It's, does this get bold or not? Bold, yeah, it's bold. Its size to be big. Text size, text size, where is text size? I want to search text size, yeah, here. 30 dp. dp pixels. dp's, you know what, you do you want to see the difference between the pixel and dp? I'm writing pixel, px is very small, dp is good, it's a good size. I think it's depth per pixels. No, yeah, depth per pixel maybe. Okay. Oh, you can write anything, you can write anything in here. If I want to put backslash n, no, it's not working in here. But I want something to be set programmatically to this field. How can I set? How can I set? How can I set in here? How can I set? I want to set this field. I want to set this field. Just hit enter. id text view. So now I have to go to the main activity. I have to declare the text view. Its name is, always take the same name, as it's written here, text view. Just copy this, paste this, and hit enter. Sorry, control V, paste its name. If it's not getting the declaration of it, just hit command enter. Oh no, sorry, option enter. My brain is very low. Okay, my IQ is not so much good. Import class. So text view. Oh no, now I have to find the id. Find view by id, r.id.text view. So it's a view that find view by id, it finds the view in this XML file. I want to set the name. If I want to set the name, text view dot set text dynamically set text view. Okay, so this is the main thing. If you want to set the buttons, you can do for buttons. So how you can switch between the main activity and this? Just press command click. Yeah, command click for this, and this is the view. But if I want to go from if I want to go from this XML to main activity, just press enter and write here context. The context used by this activity is main activity. Okay, you can go here, you can go here, yeah, you can go also with that. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.